Grabe naman si seller. Literal na naiyak ako kahit wala akong pinagdadaanan. Yan. Dumating yung set of bagong piping tips. Piping tips that I'm not familiar with or hardly is in the kitchen, but very, very beautiful. And this one, very legit siya. Not as pricey as Milton, pero mukhang legit naman at maganda. And this one, I'm not really familiar with this piping tip, pero maganda siya in fairness. Yan. Ito yung size niya, tsaka number. Ito to, petal tip. More petal tips. Ano ba ito? Ang cute. Ito yung pang sakura tip to eh. Yan. Thank you, seller.